This is Kaempferia galanga seed. This seed is ready to cultivate next year or this year 2026. This is highly demanded Ayurvedic crop across the India, across all over the world. Aromatic ginger, gandhasuddhi, Akangi, Bhuichampa, also name of Kaempferia galanga. The medicinal uses of Kaempferia galanga is highly demandable now across the world. Most of Kaempferia galanga, those cultivate in West Bengal or Assam or Kerala, all the Kaempferia galanga export to China, then China import all over the world. This is highly useful Ayurvedic medicinal use. All the business app like Amazon, Flipkart, Alibaba, the Kaempferia galanga Kapur Kuchari, it's also named Kapur Kuchari, is available on the online shopping app. This is highly demandable. If you want to buy from me, you contact me. The fresh rhizome here, and now it is sprouting and ready to cultivate. It's the 10 month of cultivation duration for Kaempferia galanga, and it is need soil at this time.